to the channel. I'm Tequila B with TruLuv Designz, and you guessed it, I am talking about fabric again. It's not a haul, but I had to make sure that I gave this company a proper thank you. A couple months ago, I won an Instagram giveaway that was hosted by Measure Fabric. I won a $50 gift card, and I was able to shop their online store. If you haven't heard of this company, Measure Fabric is an online fabric boutique. They specialize in exclusive designer deadstock trims, leather, you name it. And if you're like me and didn't know what the term deadstock means, because I've heard it everywhere, I've seen it, but I didn't know what it meant. And what deadstock is, it's the fabric from the designer's showroom that didn't make it into production. So what happens with this fabric is it usually just ends up in the trash, which we all know ends up in the landfills. So Measure focuses on reduce, reuse, and recycle. So they are really focused on sustainability. They get new inventory about every 3 to 4 months. And their fabrics are usually one of a kind and cannot be bought in large quantities. So if you shop their site and you see something you like, be sure to grab it, because chances are it will not be there long. So their fabric is sold by the half yard. So make sure that you pay attention to that when you're getting ready to purchase your fabric. So if you see that a fabric is $9.99, it's not $9.99 per yard. It's $9.99 per half yard. So where it asks for the quantity, if you want a whole yard, make sure you put 2, because that's going to give you your full yard. This is how my fabric came packaged. It is wrapped together with a piece of scrap fabric. Talk about no waste. They mean what they say. No waste. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. They have used a piece of scrap fabric to wrap my bundle, and I just think that is great. They've added a card, and their card says Measure, a fabric parlor. We specialize in designer deadstock fabrics to promote a sustainable, creative, inspiring experience for every project. Boutique style shopping. And on the back, they have included ways to stay connected with them: Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest, and they've included their hashtags as well. And of course, they'd like for you to tag them if you sew with any of their fabrics. This is just my invoice, and they've included this really little cute, I don't know if this is a sticker. It's not a sticker. It's like it's just a tag, and it says Measure. And this really is buttery smooth. This is very soft and stretchy. Has a stretch that way, and it also has stretch this way. So this is a 4-way stretch. It has some very great recovery. It bounces right back. It is thin and see-through. So if you make anything with this, especially if it's a bottom, you may want to wear a slip or something underneath. But it is very nice, and I don't know if you can see that bounce. It's very bouncy, has some nice drape. Really nice, really nice. Thank you, Measure, for allowing me to shop your boutique with that lovely gift card. I really appreciate it. And I went online just a couple days ago to see if there was more of this fabric, because I really like it. I saw something similar that I think I may purchase soon. I will be purchasing again. And there's, oh my God, a lovely geometric print fabric that's on their site. It is to die for. And I want to purchase it so bad, but I just don't know. I don't know. You know, Christmas is around the corner. I should be buying for others, not really buying for myself. Maybe I'll just put it on my Christmas list and hope Santa is good to me this year. Now you've seen it, go make it and slay it.